Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I would like to teach you English Bisaya language. Hope you enjoy. No, dili, dili. Oo, yes, yes. Please, palihog, palihog. Unsa, what, unsa. Where, asa, asa. Who, kinsa, kinsa. When, kanusa, kanusa. Why, ngano, ngano. I don't know. Ambot, ambot. Ready, andam, andam. Bantay, be careful, bantay. Wait a little, time pa, time pa. Just a second, kadiyot, kadiyot. Stop or don't, ayaw, ayaw. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much. See ya.